Right, so I did a video on what the door strap on a back door looks like. Well, the front door is a bit more of a pain if you want to replace it, because there is, I suppose you, for want of a better term, the bracket area, whereas the, just put my light down for a minute, the rear one is like that, the front one, a lot different. It doesn't look like there's any weld spots. In fact, I think it's just held onto the inner panel by the two rivets that hold that clip in place. And if we have a look around the other side, hopefully we can see inside here, there's really no way to drill the bugger out without taking this whole inner area out. I think that the way that you get that bracket out, if for whatever reason it had to be replaced, is I think you'd have to drill out that rivet. Oh, if I can clear it up a bit, sorry. That rivet. And I think the bottom rivet hold it on. But then what you'd have to do is devise a way. I reckon that would then just come off. I think you'd have to devise a way then to get into there. I apologise for the light. You can see the rivet in there. Provide another rivet to put that circlip back on. Again, I'm sorry about the light, but that's the best I can do. And I'll possibly, yeah, as I say, I can't see any. Although it might be a rivet point here and here, or a spot weld rather. I'll play with that tomorrow and see what I can come up with. But again, that's how the bugger goes in. I'll have to have a look tomorrow and see if that can actually be grinded off. But I don't know how the hell you would do that without cutting out the outside of your door like I have. Or, if it is possible with the rivets, drilling out the two rivets that are in there.